Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. It's Rachel here. So today we're gonna do an oil change in the 2005 GMC Yukon XL. This bad boy right here. Let's get right into it. Pop the hood. Right there. Awesome sauce. Okay. Giant leap. All right, find the button. There we go, found it. Hello. So as you can see, the truck is up on this solid concrete block, which makes it so easy. And now we have to grab our stopper and put it behind the wheels, just like that. Make sure there's no rolling. Always the emergency brake is on as well. And we are ready to start. So we're gonna place the drain pan under here, right? And then push it under there. But first, I gotta put my hair up. Can't have greasy hair. Hair is going up. I'm gonna do a little bun today because I'm feeling it. All right, perfect. More cardboard going under here, and I'm gonna slide myself. I'm gonna slide myself. Take the jacket off. Don't need that right now. I'm gonna slide myself under here with the quad-board and see what we got. I figured out how to set the camera up, and I know you're supposed to be like on your back, but the stomach actually works pretty well. So the drain pan is all nice in place. I'm doing this on my stomach so y'all can see my face, and it's actually more comfortable, I will say. So we're gonna use this tool right here. I have my hand completely covered so we don't get oil on it, and we're going to crank it up. Oh, there we go. Takes a little bit of force. Okay, awesome. Just enough to where I can unscrew it with my hands. And I'm gonna hold my hand above it so I don't get as much oil as last time. Here we go. It's coming. Okay. Alright, there we go. Okay, perfect. Now I'm gonna find my rag, wherever that is. Somewhere over the rainbow. So everything is pretty much drained out of here. We're going to put it back. Please, towel. Thank you. Get all that excess oil off of there. Cool. And now we're gonna crank it up. Give it another little. Okay, it is tight. Okay, we are ready to move on. So now we're gonna take the oil filter off. We're gonna put it just like, there we go. Oh, we got it. Oh, goody, oh, goody. Okay, come off, come off, come off, come off. I wasn't prepared for this one, my bad. Teeth. Okay, let's take this filter off, just like that. Come off. Keep twisting and twisting and twisting and twist. There we go. Okay. Oh, we did it. So some people don't put oil in their filter beforehand, but my dad taught me that. He does, and we like the way it works. We've never had an engine issue, so we're just gonna pour some oil in here. Nice and slow, and I'm using a cup to make it a little easier. Now I'm gonna let it soak in and then keep pouring slowly. So another super important thing to remember is to oil up the gasket, and we are ready to install. We are ready to put the oil filter on. Just like that. Gotta screw it in, just like that. And I'm gonna give it a nice little crank with this bad boy right here. And perfect. That is a successful oil filter change, and now we have to get out of here and put the oil in. Let's do it. If I can ever get out of here. Ugh. This is definitely the hardest part of the oil change. So one thing I like to do is put rags so there is no spillage. So it's time to put the oil in. We have full synthetic high mileage here. This truck has about 245,000 miles on it. So we need this. I also made myself a nice little funnel here. It makes things so much easier. So here we go. Let's do this. Bam. Ooh. All right, just keep pouring, just keep pouring. All right, we're just gonna do this whole bottle. So this truck takes 6 quarts of oil. We already poured in the 5, so I added another one. Easy peasy. So the oil is in. Now it's time to put the top back on. Just like that. Grab all the towels from around it and clean up with a brand new towel any excess oil. Now let's put the car on the ground and check the oil. It's now time to check the oil. I'm gonna take it out just like that, wipe it off, and put it right back in. Perfect. Now we're gonna take it out. And can you see that? Looks good to me. All right. Perfecto. And that is a successful oil change in the 2005 GMC Yukon XL. If you guys like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below what you'd like to see next, and make sure you subscribe. Bye, guys.